Okay, guys, it seems there's more to this place than that blob monster thing. The doors are open now all of a sudden? I guess we did that. There's no telling what we'll encounter ahead. Not to worry, Master Getty. We've had some great progress. Isn't that right, Master Otis? Yeah. Just give me a second. I think he's in a teleporter coma. Hey, buddy. It's going to be okay, man. I'm always gonna be there for you. No matter what. I'm happy now. Now let's go! This place is nothing for the likes of us. Whee! I could choose to teleport again, or I could just leave. If I tried to do that, they'll probably be like, oh, what are you doing? We need to go. Why are you trying to teleport again? Oh, hi? Oh, Otis is angry. I've never seen him angry before. You again. Sorry, I missed your first speech bubble. It was probably something along the lines of, huh? I don't know how you got past the defense system. There's no way you're getting this relic before me. Okay, well. Did he just leave? Okay. Hello, hello. How's it going? Welcome back to Owlboy. Okay, so we need to go here. Right. That's right. This. I'm gonna take that and yoink it. Are these anything? No? Oh my god. I'm so glad I ended the last episode where I did. What the shit? You just threw that in his face? Oh, no, he's pissed. Now I'm gonna have to fight him. He thinks we're with you. Oh, this is not good. No, it wasn't me. Well, you guys are bad and not on my side anyway. You guys are constantly frickin' with me. So, F it. Ah, I see. Your numbers are dwindling in the back. Ow. What the shit? Oh, there was lava. Oh, that wasn't floor, Billy? Wait a minute. Oh, I still have some purple health bar somehow. Oh, I'll get more. Wait, that wasn't floor beneath? I landed on floor though, unless it fell. Oh god. Unless it fell and I landed in the lava? Because there's no way just one hit from the monkeys freaking got me. There's no way. What made me die? Like, did I land in the lava? Because I would assume, you know, lava is one hit kill kind of thing. I guess I must have fallen in the lava, huh? Is the platform getting destroyed, or? I don't know. Oh, did he grab me and throw me into the lava? Is that what happened? Interesting. Okay. Okay, there's more of you than I initially thought. There's like way more of you. Oh my god. Bro, leave me alone. Am I gonna have to fight the big guy after this? I prefer not to. Or at least not immediately. Oh, where did you come from? Oh god. Okay, they just got me freaking from damage. God damn. Maybe flying isn't the strategy. Can I be on the floor though? I know I can at the beginning at least, but like, is it smart to be on the floor? I don't know if it is. Maybe when there's a big number of those guys, I can try to blow them up with offense instead of shooting them with my little pistol. I think when they first spawn, it needs to be on the ground so they don't, like, immediately. Ah, they jump too freaking high. I guess if I could make them land in the lava, then that makes it easier. Oh god. Do they do progressive damage the longer they're, like, holding on to me, or? I don't know. Okay, oh god, now is the time to switch. Where am I? Where the hell am I? Okay, that worked. Did the other guys fall in the lava? Possibly. Pull y'all up. No. Aw, damn it. God, they do so much damage. What the hell? Alright, let me grab another one of these. Fill me up as much as possible, I guess. God knows I need it. Can I destroy the floor in any way? No, it's kind of just the way it is. You know what? I bet if I lure them into... Because they don't seem to land unless they're, like, directly under me. Or unless I shoot them. So if I just lure them into the lava, this is probably the way to do it. Honestly. Especially when there's, like, so many of them. Yeah, this is the way to do it. Just lure them into the lava, unlike that. Hello. Okay, alright. Can I fly, please, when I want to? Thank you. Oh, damn it, that why didn't that work? God damn it. Okay, stop! Jesus Christ. God, they're such a pain in the ass. Lure them into the lava when they're constantly just all over. Where did I go? Ugh, I got thrown into the lava with them. God damn, that better be like the last, because the last guy in the back, he jumped up just then. That better be like the last frickin' like wave of them, because Jesus Christ. Gotta time it right. Damn it. Oh, come on, really? None of them fell into the lava? No! Don't freaking grab me! Jesus Christ! They do so much damage, like, right off the bat. Okay, really? Damn it, and when they grab me, they don't fall into the lava like I want them to. Damn it, that was too early. Son of a bitch. Damn it. Ugh. Ah! And I keep freaking... Because I need to spam the A button to, like, get out of their grasp, but then that also makes me, like, fly, not fly, fly, not fly. God. Okay, well, that's all the health I can muster, I guess. Maybe it's a better strategy to... Never mind, he's gonna fall right there. That was the quickest death yet. That was the quickest death ever. I don't lose anyone no, that's just the way it, okay. Okay, let's try this again. Swear to God. Okay, if I can get them together, then that's good. Not like that, though. Not like that. Damn it, I didn't want to shoot him. Don't touch me, you little shit. Why didn't you fall? Why didn't you fall with your buddy? Okay, whatever. Damn it, you're not gonna fall. And I'm making these guys. Nah, damn it. Damn it, they jumped so freaking high. So annoying. Damn it. Ah! Oh my god, let up! God damn it! Oh, my God, finally. Jesus. God, that was such a pain in the ass. What are you afraid of? Okay. I guess whatever he's afraid of, we're gonna go fight. Okay, those just spawned. Cool. I don't want to fight these guys. I am curious about what the hell is over here. At least I have a lot more freaking wiggle room. Oh, and food, yes. Don't accidentally shoot the food. For the love of God, don't shoot the food. Yeah, climb all you want, you little shit. I want this. I need this. Nope, wrong button. Shit. Might as well burn up whatever. Shit. Oh, that's in the foreground. Or background. Not foreground. Oh, that loops back to here. Oh, okay, interesting. Good to know. Jesus, of course you're right off the bat in my face. I don't know why I feel the need to burn those when they don't provide anything. Especially when I can't tell whether or not I can hit them if they're in the background or foreground. Well, okay. That I needed to, but whatever. Oh shit, we're back here. Ah, right, this thing. No, you need to go. No. Damn it, wrong button. Wait, I forgot the button for some reason. Okay, there we go. There we go. This is probably good, right? Okay, that's not good. The lava's gonna rise, isn't it? Yep! Freaking see you, Getty! You are dead. The relic is gonna burn! I couldn't grab it. Oh, well, no, I wouldn't have been able to. That's right, because I do have the option to grab it, but it's like, okay, thought I could go past you. Nope, can't just go past you. Cool, his frickin' thing wasn't healed all the way, though. Okay, alright. That's just wonderful. That's just great. Yeah, that's just lovely. Yeah, because it does give me the option to grab it, but I can't. So is the relic just gonna, like, burn, or... Nope, wrong button. Bye. Get out of here. Nope, and that's the wrong way. Okay. I'm gonna put more freaking distance in between me and the goddamn lava. Really? 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 Oh, I forgot I can't. Okay, really? And you still knock me? Really wish I could shoot you with Getty, considering his freaking cooldown time is freaking whoa. Oh, I can still burn this. Okay, screw the food. That's not what I need right now. That's also not what I need right now. Oh my god. Oh my god, get out of here! Are you serious? God damn it! God, I hate these freaking monkeys! Alright, let's try this again. It's fine. If I could press the right goddamn button! I hate this area. I hate it with a burning passion. Ironic, isn't it? Because I'm freaking escaping from burning lava. Some distance between me and this goddamn shit. Oh my god, could you not knock me into the goddamn wall? You piece of shit! I gotta wait for this stupid freaking shit to reload. Because it's so goddamn slow. Get out of my goddamn face, you little shits. I swear to God, let me up! Let me up! Oh my god! These goddamn monkeys. Never thought I'd be screaming my brains out first freaking episode of this recording session, but here we are. God, I can't fight them because it takes too goddamn long. But then they freaking jump in my face. Oh, and of course I get freaking knocked by that as well. Oh, I can spin them. Okay, that's a lot better than freaking having to wait for freaking Alphonse. Can't spin the monkeys though, because why would I be able to? Okay, you need to be dropped so I can go. Oh, thank Christ. God, at least I didn't go on any longer than I needed to. Otis, are you alright? No, I'm not alright actually. Kind of freaking pissed actually. We need to find a way out of here. I think we're in over our heads. Yeah, you don't say. Let's look for an exit, Otis. I jumped up with damage boost apparently. Plenty of good that's done me. Is the ground shaking? Let's get out of here before it's too late. Oh man. Oh god, what now? Hey, if I have to fight something, oh god, I don't have full health. I'm gonna die. Oh cool, I got knocked against the wall. You actually expect me to fight this thing? How the hell? Oh well, at least they gave me full health. Oh, that did something apparently. Oh god. Yeah, Getty's little pistol doesn't do shit. I need Alphonse. Not a fan of the ground shaking, frankly. Cool, I missed. That's great. Or the entire screen shaking, rather, because I can't see shit. Okay, that's just great. Yeah, no, I wanted that. Oh, I also wanted that. Yeah, no, that's lovely. Oh, cool, the ground's on fire. Cool. Glad that it won't let up at all. Glad I didn't get any opportunities to hit that thing. At all. Cool, and I missed. Every opportunity I get, I just miss. That's just lovely. God, I'm freaking pissed. F off. God damn it. Cool, I don't know if I freaking got him there. Probably not. I don't even know if I'm hitting this guy. I freaking hope I am. Okay, really? I hit him, and because I knocked him back, his head hit me and did damage. That's just lovely. Okay, was not expecting him to go that way. Cool. Great. One more hit and I'm dead. Okay, cool. And I miss. That's just lovely. No, no, don't do that again. Damage to him because, like, he's making noises. I don't know if I hit him there, though, specifically. Oh god, not smart to be under him. I'm surprised I didn't get hit there. Am I even doing anything? Well, that time I don't think I hit him, but, you know, whatever. F me, I guess. flashing white, right? He just takes a shit ton of hits, I guess. Oh my god. I hate that one. I'm at so high risk of getting hit for that one. God, how many more hits does this guy take? I hope I'm actually doing something. I honestly can't tell if I am. I clearly don't do anything when it's like that. Oh my god, how many more hits is this guy gonna take? How many times have I said that? In the last 5 minutes. No! Oh my god, I almost got hit. I could have spun out of there. I don't know how much faster I would have been, but whatever. Oh, god damn it, the frickin' fireballs! Alright, you know what? I'm gonna... Oh, cool, it's gonna shove me right into this. Can I skip? Yeah, I'd like to skip, please. I'd like to pause, also. I'd like to pause the game. Okay. Man, I'm freaking salty right off the bat. I don't know how to defeat this guy. I don't know if I'm doing the right thing. I'm gonna look it up. Which, I need to end the episode anyway. Because it's time for that. So, yeah. I'm gonna leave this episode here for now. I hope you guys enjoyed, and I will see you next time. Bye.